Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be focusing on Google Drive and showing you how you can easily upload a photo or any other document from your phone to Google Drive. To begin, you need to be signed in to Google Drive. If you've already done that, open the Google Drive app. Tap on Files on the bottom right corner. To add a photo or another document, you need to tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner. From the options provided, select the Upload option. After that, choose a photo or document from your gallery or phone's memory. Confirm by clicking on Select. Once you've done that, you need to wait a few seconds to upload completes. Click on Home option to find your file. Refresh the page. There is the picture we upload to Google Drive. We hope this video will be helpful to you. Please follow us if you found this tutorial useful, and we will continue to keep you informed about all the latest updates. See you soon.